Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple and effective way to fix AirDrop not working on iOS 26. If AirDrop doesn't show nearby device, fail to send file or get stuck, follow these steps. First, open Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner, hold and press the Wi-Fi Bluetooth box. Tap AirDrop and select everyone for the 10 minutes. Make sure your iPhone is visible to nearby device. AirDrop needs both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to work. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, Bluetooth is on. You don't need to connect to a Wi-Fi network, just keep Wi-Fi enabled. Go to settings, tap on personal hotspot. If it's on, turn it off. Personal hotspot can block AirDrop from working properly. Reset your iPhone and also restart the other device you are sending file to. This clear connection glitches that can stop AirDrops from detecting device. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.